Welcome to World Cycling and Sports Car. Today we're delighted to be able to offer to you this 2012 Jaguar 5 litre XKR supercharged coupe. The car's finished in Stratos grey metallic with light ivory leather upholstery. Sits on 20-inch wheels and it's absolutely gorgeous. 510 brake horsepower, automatic transmission. Great value, cost a fortune new. Looking around the car, you'll see the quad exhausts, the big spoiler at the back there, these lovely 20-inch wheels with the red calipers beneath. Condition, as you can see, is delightful. It's a low mileage car with full Jaguar service history. It's got keyless entry. Again, those big red calipers at the front there, looking down the car, it's lovely. The bonnet vents there, the big bonnet vents for the supercharged model. Xenon lights, front park sensors, LED daytime running lights, lovely. Inside the car, it's probably the nicest combination of this light ivory trim. It's perforated leather, heated and cooled seats, overmats there. It's got dark charcoal carpets, door panels and everything in lovely condition. It's got memory seats, it's got electronic adjustment for the bolsters and also lumbar support. Great stereo, Bowers and Wilkins speakers there. Condition is beautiful. This is the driver's seat, which normally gets all the wear, hardly any at all. Inside the back you do have rear seats, a little bit of leg room there, you can see just behind the passenger seat, just ideal for small people or children as they're commonly known. It's got the piano black dashboard trims. Again, on the passenger side you've got the memory seats and everything like that. Centre armrest there with the USB and iPod portals. A lovely gear selector there which pops up when you start the engine. We will just take you for a quick buzz down the road in the car, just to let you know how good it is on the road. Obviously 510 brake horsepower, it's going to be quite nimble. So thanks for looking for now. Okay, we'll just take you for a little ride in this Jaguar XKR supercharged coupe. I'm sure you know it's going to drive as good as it looks, having only covered 22,400 miles from Louth. Finished off lovely inside here with this Alcantara headline in the piano black dashboard, contrasting stitching to the dashboard also. Nice specification car, being the flagship of the range, being replaced by the F-Type. Okay, the car's got a host of extras on it, on the vehicle itself. You've got heated and cooled seats, you've got sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, heated steering wheel. Down the controls, down the bottom here you've got dynamic mode, which changes all the settings of the vehicle and it feels a lot sharper. Adaptive speed limit. Multi-function controls on the steering wheel, got voice control, cruise control on there, trip computer. So just in light traffic at the moment, 30 mile an hour, car trundling away quite nicely. No creaks or rattles, and drives dead straight ahead. Paddle shift on the steering wheels, change gear manually. Stereo is a Bowers and Wilkins speaker system, so it's plays Radio 4 as well.
Yay.
Put in the sports transmission, takes you down to manual, using the paddle shifts with the gear change selector now in the middle of the dashboard. Now dynamic mode, the flag comes up to tell you you're in sports mode. So we'll just accelerate past this lorry in a moment, all being well, using the paddles. Just by touching the accelerator, feel those 510 horses to put you back in the seat. Straight up to 60 mile an hour. Back into drive, sports mode off, back into a gentleman's sports car. So there we have it. Thanks for looking. If you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website for more details at roadsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you.